So in this tutorial, I want to show how to create a partition in Windows 10 11. So the first thing you need to do is go to the File Explorer, and then you need to scroll down, go to the this PC, and then check there is a C drive. So we will create a new drive in this video. So to create this, you need to search type Windows plus R, or you need to type start button and right click, and then you need to click run, and then we will type disk mgmd.msc, and then click OK. As you can see, there is a 3 partition, like partition heavy and Windows SSD partition C, and then heavy recovery partition. So today we will create from the Windows SSD from the partition C. So to make this, we need to right click to partition C, and then we need to click shrink volume, and then we need to wait a little bit longer. So in the shrinky to the side, we can shrink 487,109 megabyte. So today we will shrink around 6 GB. So we need to type around 6,000 megabyte because 1 GB is equal to 1,024 megabyte. So today we will shrink around 6 GB. So we need to type around 6,000 megabyte, and then type shrink. And then we will see there is an unlocated 5.86 GB. So we need to right click, and then we need to type new simple volume, and then welcome to widget appear. So and click the next, and then we will click to the next. We will choose, there is a lot of letter, but I will choose the letter T. So in this partition, we will choose only NTFS because there is a later than faster volume. So we will choose NTFS, and allocation unit size default and volume level is a new volume, and then we need to click next, and then we will go to the finish. So the Windows new volume T is appear. So to check this, we need to go to the File Explorer, and then go to the text PC, and then there is a new volume T. So 5.8385 K is created. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helpful to you. Make sure subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.